Hello, my name is Stijn Hanssen and I'm really excited to virtually meet you all today and have the honor to present you with the latest news and innovations coming from 3D Systems. I started my journey in digital dentistry in 2003. A lot has changed in the last 18 years in workflows, materials and tools. Today we write 2021, but the pace of innovation has not been decreased. That is right, we have some exciting news to share with you today. But before I take you there, let's talk about 3D Systems and our view on dentistry and digital dentistry today. 3D Systems was founded in 1986 by Chuck Hull, after he created the first ever 3D printed part and hereby inventing stereolithography in 1983. 1 year later, in 1984, he filed his patent for stereolithography apparatus, today often used to refer to this 3D printing technique SLA. And with this, in 1986, 3D Systems became the first 3D printing company in the world.
In the broadest sense, you might say it does for engineering and manufacturing what the Xerox machine or the word processor or both of those do for the office environment.
Today, 3D Systems offers a range of 3D printing technologies, both for plastics and metals, and has over 2,500 employees worldwide. The company is organized in two major verticals: industrial, which includes aerospace, jewelry, and automotive, and the healthcare division, which includes medical device, simulators, and of course, our dental division. The dental division really kicked off in 2018, 1 year after the acquisition of Vertex Dental. The NextDent 5100 superfast DLP printer was presented during Chicago Lab Day and brought to the market just a little later.
So as a startup company, there's three major things that I think about when making a purchase, and it's affordability, speed, and accuracy. So as a digital laboratory, I have to have a portal for them to send the scans to, and for the longest time, I would have to outsource that file to get printed before I could even start on my case. So with the NextDent 5100 in the laboratory, I can print the models, mill the crowns, into the crowns, all simultaneously. In a matter of 2 to 3 days, my ceramist is already finishing the case. And so that's a game changer.
3D printing is no longer just the future. It is here. Hi, my name is Dr. Michael Shearer, and I'm a prosthodontist. I practice here in Sonora, California. Across the board, the biggest thing that I've thought about with 3D printing is ultimately to improve my patient care. I need it to be accurate, precise, but I also need it to be usable. So the key is that when all three of those things come together, like it does with my 5100 3D printer, it's magic. So I have the two printers set up side by side to enable for faster production of my teeth and my digital dentures. I can have a patient that I plan for same-day dentures, where I see the patient first thing in the morning, do our impression work, do a scan, have my assistant work on the design of these teeth over the course of the morning, and then literally have the patient come back in the early afternoon and have their teeth done.
We've been looking at how can we get a printer to run a lot quicker than that we're used to. We'd make an object and it would take hours. We could go away and drink I don't know how much coffee and come back the next morning, and then we could have the product. So how can we get something that we can print in a very short time? We got a better version from NextDent. What we did is we ran all our workflows through the machine. We communicated then with NextDent, and in that way we were able to make the machine work even better for us.
So the benefit that I see from the 5100 is that it does print much faster than most of the available printers in the market. Also that the accuracy of this printer is pretty good, so that's why we're comfortable in using it.
Since many years, 3D Systems offers also dental optimized jetting printers and materials with the current flagship, the MJP 2500, offering a big build platform and large production volume for dental models, surgical guides, and sacrificial cast parts. Besides the large production volume, accuracy, and detail, the biggest advantage of this technology is that the parts coming out of the printers do not require washing in an alcohol-based liquid and post-curing in a UV box. The support wax is easily removed using the MGP Easy Clean system in under 30 minutes. Cleaning can be done without manual labor by simply melting wax away from even the tightest spaces, which preserves the finest details and delivers the smoothest surfaces. No hand scraping, high-pressure water jets, chemical baths, or special facility requirements. If you need even higher production capacity, 3D Systems also offers SLA printers like the ProX 800 that delivers the highest accuracy and surface quality that only can be achieved with SLA technology. To complete our product portfolio in dental, 3D Systems also offers a direct metal printing system capable of producing crowns, bridges, and partial frameworks in cobalt chrome and titanium. Manufacture small, complex dental prostheses with excellent surface quality. Print more than 90 crowns in under 4 hours. Our DMP system also has the shortest post-processing time in the market. For the 90 crowns, for example, stress relief will only take 25 minutes. Let's go back to the NextDent 5100 and one of the most exciting applications in digital dentistry, and my personal favorite, 3D printed full dentures. For many years, the 3D printed dentures have been the talk of the town. The first materials for printing denture base and teeth are on the market for a few years, including our NextDent base and CMB. In recent years, newer materials came to market, offering better mechanical properties and more shades. At the end of 2019, NextDent Denture 3D Plus was launched in the US and Canada, and later in 2020 brought to the European market. Denture 3D Plus enables labs and denturists to print fast and efficient dentures based upon digital data. With excellent fit, fast production times and mechanical properties comparable to standard PMMA, the 3D printed dentures has become more and more interesting. Since the launch of Denture 3D Plus, 5 different shades of pink are available. Denture base shades vary across the world, and there is no one shade fits all. While, depending on the location, our customers are using light pink, translucent pink, red pink or dark pink, we can conclude that opaque pink is by far the most popular shade we offer. At 3D Systems and NextDent, we want to listen to our customers, the actual users of our products and materials. We are always striving to improve and offer application and client-oriented solutions. In these challenging times, it has been extremely difficult to get close to you and to get your feedback. Nevertheless, we clearly heard that there is a demand for a more classic shade of pink. For that reason, I'm really happy to announce today the launch of our new Denture 3D Plus shade. We named it Classic Pink. NextDent Denture 3D Plus Classic Pink provides you similar mechanical properties compared to the traditionally fabricated dentures, and a shade that is very close to the most popular denture base shades we could identify. This is our next step in our journey to increase the adaptation of digital dentures, and we look forward to get your feedback. NextDent Denture 3D Plus Classic Pink will be available in selected markets starting June 1st. Orders can be placed now with your local partners. Isn't that amazing? A new material for your NextDent 5100 3D printer with ready-to-use, tested and validated printer settings that will be automatically loaded to your 3D Sprint software. What makes a 3D printer special? And what is the difference between a production industrial grade printer and an entry-level desktop printer that you can easily buy online? Besides the hardware differences, like the light engine technology DLP versus LCD, the most important difference is the software integration. With 3D Sprint, we offer the highest quality 3D print and slicing software that offers even more. All build and support generation parameters are developed and validated for the specific material and applications. No trial and error print profile fine-tuning, online Google search for printer profiles, and most important, complete regulatory compliance for the medical devices that you are producing. 3D Sprint is even much more than that. With STL-CAD operations like Boolean and fix operations coming from the industry-leading Geomagic software, we offer a complete set of tools that you won't need for everyday printing, but it might save your day every once in a while. Additionally, our dental applications team is continuously working with the software team and the print processing engineers. And this every once in a while leads to some very interesting specific dental features. In February 2020, we introduced the automated stacking feature for orthodontic models. With a single mouse click, the software automatically hollows and stacks the horseshoe models for high volume production of up to 40 models. This quickly became a game changer for in-house manufacturing of thermoformed clear aligners, with the possibility for dental labs to produce complete patient cases in under 2 hours. We all love these pictures of impressive stacks coming out of the printer on social media and are excited about the positive feedback. That is why we even made it better now. 3D Sprint version 3.1 will be released by end of May and will be automatically and free of charge offered to all NextDent 5100 owners. This new version contains many improvements over its predecessors, including an improved stacking feature. While the current stacked arches function provides already very good results, we have now optimized this function to increase the accuracy. This new stack feature is developed to provide at least 90% of the critical surface area within 100 micrometer, with a standard deviation of 2%. New user-adjustable settings are available in the stacked menu, allowing you to raise the internal lattice structure. Bringing this internal lattice up higher and thus closer to the teeth will give more accurate models. Keep your printer and software up to date and download and install 3D Sprint version 3.1 as soon as it becomes available. Make sure your firmware is updated and benefit from all the improvements our team has prepared. This stacked feature for orthodontic models is really amazing. Seeing these models grow out of the resin tray, breaking them off and getting them ready for thermoforming. 3D printing loves orthodontics, and orthodontics loves 3D printing. While we are looking at orthodontic applications for 3D printing, I'm sure we can do much more than just printing models. Of course, with the NextDent 5100, we are able to print over 10 dental applications, ranging from crowns and bridges to trays and surgical guides. With NextDent OrthoClear and Rigid, we have been true pioneers in this area. With both materials available since 2015, we were one of the first companies to bring biocompatible Class 2A materials to the market. Now in 2021, we are still very happy with the performance of OrthoRigid. This hard splint material with a specific bluish shade is still loved by many of our customers and provides fast and accurate printing of splints on the NextDent 5100. But we do love a clear splint. And would it not be perfect to have a resin that you can use on your NextDent 5100 that is hard enough to provide canine guidance, but strong and flexible to become virtually unbreakable? Wouldn't that be great? Today, it is my honor to introduce NextDent Orthoflex. With a complete new chemical composition, this is a true new generation of 3D print materials. Clear and transparent, optimized for printing on a 405 nanometer DLP printer, our NextDent 5100, with print settings for volume printing of up to 7 splints placed vertical in the print volume. Perfect accuracy for comfortable fitting, an accurate occlusal surface to minimize the need for bite adjustments. This material is virtually unbreakable, with a hard surface and a slight flexibility that is appreciated by the patient. NextDent OrthoFlex will be available in selected markets like Europe and USA. And the best news is that you can start ordering right now. The first material will be shipping in the beginning of June. We are so excited about this new material. We just can't stop talking about it. This material was developed to provide accurate, fast, and economical production of high-end and clear and very strong dental splints and retainers. NextDent OrthoFlex completes our portfolio of orthodontic resins. Next to our OrthoRigid, Ortho IBT for indirect bonding trays, and Model 2.0 for the production of thermoformed clear aligners. We believe this is the perfect solution for in-house production of dental splint and retainers. Being already very clear coming off the printer and after post-processing, the polishing process is very simple and fast and doesn't require extra tools or procedures. Our build style for the NextDent 5100 is optimized for vertical printing. This enables high volume printing of up to 7 splints in one build. It provides the highest accuracy both on the fitting surface and on the occlusal surface to minimize the need for bite adjustments. Of course, you don't have to take our word for it. In the last weeks, we have provided this material to selected KOLs. This video was provided by Stefano Negrini to visualize the amazing clarity, transparency, and perfect fit on the model. Stephen Campbell from Nexus Dental in the UK provided these beautiful pictures to express how amazed he was with the polishability and the accuracy. But he also provided these kind words.
Good evening, I'm very excited to be able to share the NextDent orthoflex material with you. Thank you, Stijn, for letting us test this. I am utterly blown away. You'll have seen some photos, but this comes out almost crystal clear, and by the time you've polished it, it is crystal clear. Absolutely amazing fit, just stunning. Really nice resistance, doesn't feel too brittle. Really excited to get this out into the market. We've been waiting for something this good for so long. I'm going to show you another video later of another great property on it. Okay guys, just a quick one. Obviously I had to change it over there. Look at this. You can see it's got a really nice level of flex to it, but it doesn't feel soft. This is hard. This is a really nice hard splint material. Now, I know from all the initial testing we did that we could throw this off a fire escape and this doesn't break. This is going to be the answer we've been looking for so many of our clients. They want something that doesn't feel too tight, feels nice to the patient, got a nice kind of comfort value to it, but it also feels hard. It feels like the hard splints they're used to. They feel like it's robust, so it's not like a gum shield. This is a nice splint material. I think this is exceptional work from the NextDent team. We can't tell you how happy we are to see this in our hands. I cannot wait until we are providing this for our patients, because just look how clear that is. It's absolutely beautiful. And on this side is where we've done no work to it at all, and this is just with some brush polishing. Look at it, it's absolutely crystal clear. Okay guys, being technicians, we're going to give it the real test. Well, that was metal fire escape, concrete slabs, absolutely perfect. This is what I was talking about, how clear it is, absolutely brilliant. And let's just pop it back on the model. Still a beautiful fit.
We can't wait to get this material in the hands of all our users. That is why this material is ready for order immediately, and first material will be shipping in the beginning of June. Material will be available to Europe and USA first, followed shortly after by Canada, Australia and New Zealand. We at 3D Systems, and especially from the Vertex Dental and NextDent family, are super excited to release these new products to the market. We look forward to meet you all in person soon again. These are very exciting times for 3D printing and dentistry, and we are proud to be a part of it. Enjoy the rest of your time at the virtual LMT Lab Day, and thank you very much for your participation.